Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Vijay Kumbar from Kolhapur Institute of Technology. Friends, due to Corona outbreak, our teacher assigned us a task for my team to make a combined video of our PPT presentation. So friends, here we go. So friends, today's our presentation topic is on the very beautiful construction in the world. It is the one of the best 7-star hotel in the world. We have to spend 80,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees for just one night stay. So friends, I am talking about the one of the best royal and beautiful hotel in the world, which is Burj-al-Arab. Me, Abhishek Vijay Kumbar from L Division L29 and my team members Muhammad Saad Salim L23, Yash Lale L33, Abhishek Kumbar is myself L29, Swapnil Pujari L55, Ubaid Ali L62, Atharva Shinde L63 and Omkar Wadam L69 are going to give you a little bit information as per our knowledge in this PPT presentation. So this is our content in our presentation: demographics of UAE, information about Burj Al Arab, design and architecture of Burj Al Arab, some construction detail, structural design, man-made island on which this hotel is constructed, some fun facts and summary of our presentation. So friends, demography is very important to build such a huge skyscrapers in that country. So UAE is situated at the southeast of Arabian Peninsula in Western Asia on the Persian Gulf. These borders of UAE is bordering at the countries Oman, Saudi Arabia, and they also share their sea boundaries with Iraq, Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar and Iran like countries. The population of UAE is around 41 lakh 6,427, but it is a very old number of population. Nowadays it become about 93 lakh as per Google. So Arabic is a official language of UAE, but many people speak their English, Hindi, Urdu like language. So next slide will be explained by my colleague.
Hello everyone, myself Yash Vikram Lai from Division L. My roll number is L33. Today I am going to give some information on Burj Al Arab. It is built in 1994 to 1999. It is huge building, so it requires 5 to 6 years to completely build. Its height is 321 meter, approximately 1053 feet. It is 4th tallest hotel in the world. The Burj is a luxury hotel. This world's only 7-star hotel. The Burj includes 202 bedroom suites. Its rate starts at 1,000 US dollar to 27,000 US dollars, with 2 restaurant, conference rooms, fitness club, etc. It has 28 double-story floors. Each floor is 7 meter high or 22 feet and 11.59 inch high, and includes 18 elevators. The Arabic translation of Burj Al Arab is Tower of Arabs. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Atharva Shinde from L Division, roll number 63. So today I am going to talk about the design of the Burj Al Arab, which is our topic for this presentation. So I am now starting. So the cost of the Burj Al Arab is 650 million US dollars, which is approximately 4,900 Indian rupees, which is a pretty big amount. And it is designed by architect Tom Wright. And the Burj Al Arab was built to resemble the sail of a dhow, a typical Arabian vessel. Arabian vessel in the sense Arabian traditional ship. So it is inspired by that ship. And you can see that there are too many taller hotels in the world, like Dubai itself have JW Marriott Hotel, and also in Shanghai there is Park Hyatt, but the Burj Al Arab is the tallest standalone hotel structure in the world. And as you can see that it is in the sea near the coast, which in the Arabian Sea. So it is not on the land, so it is on the man-made artificial island. So I'm done with the design, and other slides will be explained by my colleagues.
Myself, Saad Kalon from L Division. Our group has given a presentation on the some of the information of Burj-al-Arab. So now I'm here to give some information about the architect of Burj-al-Arab. So Tom Wright is the architect and designer of Burj-al-Arab in Dubai, UAE. He was born in Croydon, a suburb of London, on 18 September 1957. He was educated at Royal Russell School and then Kingston Polytechnic School of Architecture. Wright became a member of Royal Institute of British Architects in 1983 and has been in practice ever since. So this was some of the information of the architect of Burj-al-Arab. The further information will be given by my friend.
My name is Patil Pujari, Division L, roll number L55. I am here to explain some construction details of the Hotel Burj-al-Arab. The hotel is built by Murray and Roberts and Al Haptour Engineering out of South Africa. The frame type structure is used for the construction of this building. The building structure is steel reinforced concrete. In this type of concrete, steel is embedded in a concrete in such a way that they will act together to resist the load. The materials which are used for the construction of buildings are glass, steel, gold, carbon fiber, fabric and concrete. The concrete structure with the exposed diagonal steel wind bracing is triangular in plane founded on 250 concrete piles which penetrate the sea floor to the depth of more than 40 meters. This activity is done for the strong foundation. As we know, this hotel is built inside the sea, so we need a strong foundation for the building this hotel. 86,000 cubic yard of concrete and 9,900 tons of steel is used to the construction of the hotel. The main structural reinforcement is complemented by the curtain walls of 8,60,000 square feet of glass covered by double knit Teflon fabric skin. So for the curtain walls we cannot use our regular glass, so because if we use our regular glasses then the temperature inside the room will increase tremendously because in the Dubai the temperature normally goes to 40 to 42 degrees Celsius. Hence we have to use special glasses which reflect the sunlight coming from the sun and the desert, and these glasses also useful to keep the AC bill down. So these special glasses are used for the curtain walls. Thank you for listening me, and the further slides will be explained by my friend Ubed.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Ubaid Alimia Sheikh Ali, roll number L62 from Kolhapur Institute of Technology. So today I will be explaining the slides of structural design and man-made island, which is a unique feature of the Burj Al Arab, which also gives it a beautiful look from the from its sides and from the above. So let's start with the first point of the structural design slide, and that is mast. A mast is a vertical structure used to support different type of structures. Now if you see carefully, the vertical end of Burj Al Arab, the curved end of Burj Al Arab is attached to the mast. So the mast is used to support this structure. Now if we come to the second point, steel exoskeleton. Now we all know what exoskeleton is. Exoskeleton is an external structure of a building which is made up of steel, because it's a steel exoskeleton. It helps in giving design and the desired shape. Now in this, the engineers, the architects came up with the ideas of exoskeleton to be used to give the desired shape to the building, as it was a complex design. Third, reinforced concrete spine. We all know the features of spine. We all have spines, sir. We all have spines. So the feature of spine in Burj Al Arab is to give the vertical edges, is to give the vertical edges of Burj Al Arab a proper structure, a proper standing structure. If you see, all the floors of Burj Al Arab are attached to the spine. No floor is attached directly to the ground. So the spine was very necessary to be given for stability of the floors. Now, if you come to the fourth point, it is fiberglass wall. The fiberglass wall is a type of wall which was particularly chosen for this type of skyscraper because of temperature issues in the Middle East. As you know, in the Middle East, the temperature soars above 50 degrees Celsius. So, to keep the temperatures cool, the fiber wall was made as the exterior looking body of the Burj Al Arab. This helps to reflect the sunlight back into the atmosphere and reduce the AC, the air conditioning bills, and thus keep the temperature down. The 2 points remaining, restaurant and helicopter landing pad. The man-made island. The man-made island. The Burj Al Arab rests on a man-made island. So the history of the man-made island, why the man-made island was made, was to, when there was no rock found, when there was no bedrock found, after digging 133 meters down below sea level, the engineers came up with a brilliant idea of screen friction, to uses of screen friction. Now, screen friction is nothing but the friction between two substances. For example, if you take a rod and if you take a rod and put it and if you take a rod and let's put it inside a sand, if you put it in sand or mud, it will go down up till a certain length. After a certain length, you will feel that the rod is not going down anymore. That's the force, the opposing force which is not causing the rod to go down, is called screen friction. The screen friction, the engineers used concrete piles for the concrete piles. They drilled the concrete piles deep below. They drilled the concrete piles below the sea level, below the sand which is on the seabed. They drilled it below, so that now drilled it below. Then, because of skin friction, this structure, the man-made island's foundation, was found, and to this date it is still holding the man-made island and the Burj Al Arab in place. Now, the devastating weather of the Gulf came into view of the engineer when a shamal. Shamal is an Arabian word for a gusty wind which causes the waves of the ocean to rise. It's not like a tsunami, but it's less than a tsunami. So we all know that wave energy. The water waves have energy in them. So because of that, there was a potential threat to the man-made island. So the engineers came up with the idea to use honeycomb-shaped rocks. Now the honeycomb-shaped rocks, as we can see here, if you see closely here on the honeycomb-shaped rocks, if you see closely, that these rocks are honeycomb shaped. So the honeycomb shaped rocks help in lowering the waves energy. Now how do they do that? When the waves comes in the honeycomb, it turns internally. When it turns internally, the wave loses all its energy and it keeps the man-made island safe. Using this trick, the potential threats to the man-made island was completely done. The foundation was rigid. The waves had no effect on the man-made island. So now the man-made island could hold the world's luxurious hotel in place. Thank you so much. The next slides will be explained by my colleague.
Myself Omkaradam from L Division and my roll number is S69. My team has prepared the presentation on Burj-al-Arab. So I am here to give information about some facts and summary of our presentation. Some facts. Burj Al Arab have friendly known about the world highest tennis court, and the Burj Al Arab have a helipad on the top floor of it. It is the most luxurious hotel in the world. For in the preparation for Dubai's duty-free mens. So summary: it is built in 1994 to 1999. The Burj Al Arab is located in the United Arab Emirates of the coast of the city of Dubai. Its height is 321 meter. It is the fourth tallest hotel in the world. It is designed by Tom Wright, built by Roberts and Murray. The cost for the total cost for Burj Al Arab is 650 million US dollars. Thank you.